mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. April 14, 2024, Sunday Racing. 9 races ang ating abangan at tutunghayan sa araw ng linggo sa nag-iisang Metroturf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Sa araw na ito, linggo, gagawin din ang 2024 Philracom Road to Triple Crown Stake Race na tatakbo sa Race 2. Race number 1, Only Choice. Number 5, Prime Factor. Race number 2, Only Choice, Batang Manda. Race number 3, First Choice. Number 2, Antique Collector. Second Choice, number 3, West Pacol. Dumako tayo sa race number 4. First Choice, number 7, Graceful Gift. Second Choice, number 8, Bad Boy MJ. Third Choice, Couple Entry 3, Ninong 3A Agaron. Race number 5. First Choice, number 6, Malabon King. Second Choice, number 3, Bukawe Rivertown. Race number 6. First Choice, number 10, Rahabago. Second Choice, number 1, Ang Bigote. Tumako tayo sa race number 7. First Choice, number 6, Easy Way. Second Choice, number 11, Captain Bob. Third Choice, number 9, Autumn Shower. Race number 8, penultimate race, race ng mga Pentapecta. First Choice, number 7, Sundance. Second Choice, number 1, Don't Stop Believin'. Third Choice, number 6, Heavyweight. Last race, race 9, race na may Super 6. First Choice, number 2, Money for Sheltex. Second Choice, Couple Entry 3, Make a Difference 3A Color Blast. Siyempre, ang inaasahan dito yung make a difference. Third Choice, number 9, Dugong Bughaw. Dahil paratingan at may Super 6 para makatulong sa diskarte ninyo sa Super 6 at iba pang exotic event. Fourth Choice, number 7, Sultanov. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!